Good afternoon, good morning, guys. This is Charismatic Matthew here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your DAW screen with OBS Studio and Voicemeeter with your DAW, either Cubase, Pro Tools, Ableton Live, Logic Pro. So if you have been struggling on how to record your DAW screen, maybe you have some tutorials that you want to upload on your YouTube channel, but you don't know how to record your DAW screen with OBS and Voicemeeter. So I'm going to show you. In my previous tutorial, I made the tutorial on this particular topic, but a lot of people complained that they were not able to, to understand it. But after that, it took me about 5 to 6 months to study it very well, and I was able to understand everything effectively. So right now, I can be able to record my DAW screen with any of my DAWs. So if you are struggling, guess what? This video is for you. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe. Imagine on this channel, I just have only 2 subscribers. Your subscription will help me a lot to, enable me to motivate me to say that, okay, my video is helpful to some people. So then it will help me to put more energy and make more videos, because I have a lot of tricks and some things that producers are battling with, especially the upcoming producers and even advanced producer and the rest of them. So I have tricks and some other things that I love to show people. So please, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be notified when next I'm dropping a video. So because I have more videos that I want to, I'm working on. So you should subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. I have started recording my DAW screen. So as you can see here, this is my OBS Studio, and the OBS Studio have enabled the recording. So if I want to stop recording, I'll click on stop recording. So we'll come to this. Right now, what the first thing you have to do, if you don't have Voicemeeter yet, you have to click on your Chrome browser. It doesn't matter of the browser you are using. It could be Chrome and Opera Mini, whatever browser you are using. So you just have to type Voicemeeter and download it. It's free. So it has different versions like standard version, banana version, potato version, and the rest of them. So whichever version you download, you just have to come to file manager then and install the Voicemeeter. So after you install it, then you open the Voicemeeter. In my case, I have Voicemeeter already. I've already installed it before, so I've already opened it. So in your case, after you install it, the first thing you have to do, just have to open your Voicemeeter and do some setup on your Voicemeeter. Okay, so this is my Voicemeeter. Let me explain everything you are seeing here. So we have a stereo 1, stereo input 2. So in the potato version, it has up to 5 or 6 stereo input. So here on the stereo input 1, you just have to do something like this. You right click on left click rather. So then you select the WDM. Okay. Then make sure that your sound card is selected as well. Like in my case, I'm using Focusrite USB. So if you are using ANY DAW, whichever sound card you are using, you make sure you select it, okay? Then on the DWM, this is where you will select the sound card, okay? Then you come to this A1, where you are seeing A1. You left click on it, okay? So you select KS, okay? You have to select KS. You have to come to KS. So after you come to KS, then you make sure you select your Focusrite. My own case is Focusrite. Yours can be ANY DAW and every other sound card you are using. Okay, so that is it. Then here, this A, it means that whenever it kind of is like a monitor. Like as I'm talking now, if I want to hear myself, I'll just enable this A. Then I'll be hearing whatever I'm saying. While I disable it because I don't like listening to myself while talking. Sometimes it causes noise and also confusion and all that. Then make sure that whatever thing you are doing, this B is highlighted also. don't disable it. Make sure you enable this B, because this B is letting you to send whatever you are saying here, your voice. It's connecting it to your OBS Studio. So if I disable this now, whatever I'm talking now, as I'm talking now to the mic, it will not go to OBS. And meanwhile, on OBS, that's where we are recording. Okay, make sure you enable mono too, because if you don't enable your mono, you won't be able to hear yourself by the 2 ears. Okay, so, and this is solo and this is mute. Don't touch anything here except you are on another assignment. So this A and B, this in stereo input 2. Don't do anything there, because if you do something there, you are going to cause confusion and a lot of noise and on your recording. Okay, this A here you are seeing it helping you to connect your sound with your DAW. If you disable this A now, if you play anything in your DAW, you won't be able to hear the music you are playing from your DAW. Okay, meanwhile, this B, the work of this B is to help you connect everything with OBS Studio. I hope you are getting my point. Now, after this setup, you have to open your DAW. In my case, this is Cubase 15. So, on Cubase, you go to Studio. In your case, it could be FL Studio. So if it is FL Studio, you go to audio setting as well. So, like as usual, when you go to audio setting, you have different options like speakers, headphone, and some other thing like that. But here, you come in Cubase, you come to studio setup. So on the studio setup, you have like something like Voicemeeter Virtual ASIO. Okay, you have to select this. Don't select any other things. Otherwise, you will not hear anything you are playing from your DAW, because your DAW is connected. Your DAW is connected to Voicemeeter, and the Voicemeeter will send everything from your DAW to your OBS Studio, while OBS Studio will do the recording. Okay, these three softwares combine together and bring perfect result. Okay, so look at it now. I am selecting Voicemeeter Virtual ASIO. Okay, selected. Okay, do you want to switch to the ASIO drive? I say yes, switch. Then you click on OK. Are you getting the point? So if I play something from here now, we'll be able to hear it. Okay, see? So this is the beat I'm trying to make from scratch. Okay, so right now, so we are playing something from our DAW. Let's assume that we want to play something from DAWs. So we play it. You can see that you can hear the sound. But if I disable this A now, we'll not hear anything again. So I have to enable this A. Okay, before we can be able to hear everything we are saying here. Okay, so let's stop it for now. Okay, so the last step, let's go to OBS Studio, where we do the final setting and all that. Okay, so this is OBS Studio. When you come to OBS Studio, you have to go to setting. Okay, if you don't have OBS Studio, you can just go and download it. It's free. Okay, so you come to this setting. This is where we have our setting on OBS Studio. So now, you see audio setting on OBS Studio. This desktop audio, disable it. I didn't know before, so I was enabling everything. So, and it cost me a lot of times, like sometimes it caused delays and repetitions and all that. I was kind of frustrated and all that. So you have to disable everything here. You see, I've disabled even the mic and auxiliary audio, both 1 and 2, everything, they are disabled. So now you have to go back from here. Okay, so what you will do, you see this plus icon. See this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon here, you will add you will add your audio input capture. See, audio input capture. Okay, once you add it here, so you now come, like in my own case, I've already added it. So you click on it, double click on it, then you select Voicemeeter output V1. Okay, don't select any other thing. Just make sure that you select Voicemeeter output V1. All right, have selected it already, so I have it already. Okay, so now for you to record your screen, we have two options of on how to record the screen from OBS. So on this plus icon too, you click on this plus, So you have something like display capture. Okay, the display caption means that when you want to record everything, your entire screen, every software you opened on your screen, that is, if you want to capture everything, you just have to click on display captured. Okay, and if you want to capture a particular software, like maybe already I have my Cubase opened and I have my Voicemeeter open, it's only the Cubase that I want to display. I just have to click on video capture. I believe some of you are aware of this. Okay, maybe in my next tutorial I'm going to show something like this. Okay, so this is it. So after that, you see, whenever we talk to the mic, the OBS, when this B now is sending our voice, as the meter is moving here, the same thing here too in OBS Studio. You can see if I talk to the mic, it's moving. You see, as I'm talking to the mic, you see it moving. Okay, if I should start playing music now from my Cubase, you see everything is start working together. Okay, you see how it works. So you see, so if I should stop talking now, you see that it continues moving because it's taking the sound too. Okay, you can see. So this is it. It's very simple. So if there's anything you don't understand, let me know. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because if I drop more videos like this and some other topics as well, you should be able to be notified as soon as I drop them. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helps you a lot, I want you to subscribe and then share. Yeah, bye for now. Okay.